In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Nextly, click on Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!